There's a wide world of flours beyond wheat. I have 4 favorites here on the table. You're going to notice differences in color and texture, but most importantly, there are differences in baking properties. So there are 2 things driving those differences. One is protein content. So remember, all-purpose flour is 10 to 12%. These range from 5 to 21% protein. Perhaps even more important, when you mix these flours with water, they don't form gluten. And so therefore they have very different baking properties than wheat flour. They really can't be used interchangeably or for wheat flour. Let's dig in. This is buckwheat flour. Has a really earthy, kind of woodsy flavor. You know it in soba noodles. I love it in pasta noodles from northern Italy up in the Alps. They use buckwheat flour. Crepes, blini. It is a wonderful flour with a great flavor. Next up, we've got white rice flour. Super fine. It's almost like cornstarch in texture. This is the lowest protein on the table. It's 5%. It's used in a lot of Asian recipes, but it's also used in a lot of gluten-free baking. The Test Kitchen's gluten-free flour blend, this is the cornerstone. And if you are cooking for people who can't eat gluten, you're going to be needing white rice flour. You're also going to be needing brown rice flour. Now you know the difference here. This has the bran and the germ. So it's a little nuttier, it's a little coarser. It also, because it has a little extra fat, it belongs in the freezer, it's going to go rancid. It's also an ingredient in our gluten-free flour blend, along with tapioca starch and potato starch. Last up on the table, this is almond flour, sometimes labeled almond meal. It's got 21% protein, so highest on the table. Also has a ton of fat. That's why you're getting these clumps. This is almost like cookie dough. It's super rich. I love it in the Test Kitchen's almond cake recipe. We use it in cookies. It's also, if you're doing paleo baking, you can use it in pancakes. You can use it in muffins, usually with arrowroot and coconut. Has a really delicious nutty flavor. Wonderful if you love to bake. So there you have it. 4 flours that all deserve a place in your pantry.
Thanks for watching America's Test Kitchen. What'd you think?
Well, leave a comment and let us know which recipes you're excited to make, or you can just say hello.
You can find links to today's recipes and reviews in the video description.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
See you later.
I'll see you later.